Good morning, everybody. Amit, hey there. Good morning, welcome. Well, new day started, new opportunities, right? All right. Let's see what has happened. Let's break down the NASDAQ. The Met Scalper, let's go. Yo, what's happening? All right. So, yesterday, quite a drop. From the top to the bottom, let's see. Well, 800 points yesterday, altogether into the Asia session. What a drop again. And we're below 18K. So that's quite interesting. Took out a 1 hour fair value gap down here. So that has been repriced. I'm not really looking at the daily right now, but I guess we can take a quick look just to see what's going on. Look at this. There's an unbalanced price range from 1835 to 1895. Am I gonna put a line there? And that is going to be the range for, to reprice, unbalanced price range. Up, hold on. Price range. Start. Middle. Right. Okay. That's gonna be fine. So that's it. We have another one up there. Unbalanced, I mean like we're going to need an up close candle with a body or multiple up close candles on the daily to have this being rebalanced. And we have a liquidity void up there as well at 1894. Anyway, let's go back down to the 1 hour. Some H, hey, welcome, good to see you. How you doing? Hello, Tom. I just refreshed the live stream. I was waiting for you. All right, what's up? Hey, Art. You're short? Nice. Let's go over what's happening. Did you take any trades yesterday? I was scalping, actually. I did go crazy with this account up here. Now, this account, I only scalped it with micros, and it was pretty cool, but I gave back the profit. So I started yesterday from 51,360-ish. I went up to 51,500 something, and then as you see, I'm back down below the initial balance. But anyway, it was cool because of the reduction of the high volume node. Oh, I see. Naomi, hey there, welcome. Good to see you. Good morning, George Mikhail. All right. So as I said, we have some daily unbalanced price range up there. Let me check the high of the range. I'm going to explain to you guys in just a second of what I was thinking here. This is something okay, so let's go down to 1 hour. Yeah, it's going down so far. As I said, on the 1 hour, this wick down here has repriced partially the gap. I mean these candles. So that was pretty much like a nice liquidity sweep. But the previous day low is technically like an Asia low. And dude, I don't know what's up with Streamlabs. I did everything and it still keeps spamming. I don't know why it's doing it. I switched it to 20 minutes. I switched it to 10 minutes to wait for 10 lines. Sorry, 10 lines, 20 minutes, and yet it keeps spamming. with the links. Anyway, sorry about that. Zach T, good morning. Chopsticks up a bit for a few small losses. Oh, I was impatient, but then regained conscious and waited for my setup. Oh, I see. All right. Well, for now, we are sitting on the VWAP. Yeah, I do. I always press. I press save after, and if I change anything, it says confirmed, so it's saved automatically. That's why I don't know what the hell is going on anyway. I mean, it's a good thing to have automatic advertisement on the chat, but Streamlabs is just keeps spamming like crazy. Anyway, I'm gonna look it over the weekend. I don't know. Anyway, so we are sitting at the VWAP, swept some liquidity here. The 1 minute so far looks okay. Maybe to go long. I don't want to scare anybody who's short. I'm not saying it's gonna go up. We still have some targets down there, especially the Asia low. On the 5 minute, nothing special. If you look to the left, both to the low end and up there, there's no specific fair value gaps or special targets. The thing that I was referring here is we have this range from 33 to 98, which would be nice. So I would anticipate that today, if I would choose a bias for today on the daily chart, I would say that the daily chart is going to be bullish. I mean, the daily candle, sorry. The daily candle should be bullish. So if the daily candle is bullish, but we're just theoretically speaking, then because we're below the midnight level, that this all, whatever is going to happen, even if we go lower, like all the way down there, this all should be just manipulation. And the distribution phase could be happening maybe in New York session, I don't know. But if I anticipate that we're going to have a bullish daily candle, let me see the previous one. So don't mind this, because this candle is not from Eastern Standard Time. I'm measuring it from the Eastern Standard Time, the true midnight level. So I know this is not the real midnight level here on this candle. So the true midnight level, we should be seeing a bearish candle anyway. You know what I mean? So I would anticipate that we're going to have a bullish day. I would favor long positions to have the daily candle close bullish above 18,100 and go higher. So this range here, I like this range to be absolutely rebalanced with an up close candle. But you know, of course the market does its own thing, but that's what I would anticipate. Good morning, Marco, good to see you. Long with 2 micros here. Let's see. Well, I'm not saying it's that's what I'm saying, guys. It's not necessarily going to happen, but that is what I would like to see, especially after this. Now, because we still have the Asia low, we can still, you know, slowly go down, you know, sweep everything, build some structure, and then, you know, go higher. It can definitely happen. Go down, take out Asia low, and then boom, go higher. I'm not saying it's not gonna happen, but for now we don't have a clear direction. The 1 minute, look at this, the 1 minute is pretty much like wicking up and down. I'm not gonna go crazy with the scalping today on this account, and I'm gonna trade funded account in this session. If I see a nice displacement, I'm gonna place some trades on the funded account as well. Yesterday I blow a funded account, unfortunately. Not proud of that. Off stream, of course. Of course, off stream. So I'm not proud of that. But it is what it is. Connection error. What is happening? Okay. So I need to work on it. And it was not because of the market or anything. I was just impatient and revenge trading. There's nothing else to say about that. Tom, there are more buy side liquidity upside. Oh yeah, I agree. I agree. I think we have quite. So that's why I'm saying. I think it makes more sense for price to go higher. That's what I think. EMH, hey, good morning. What is your code for 50% top step reset? Unfortunately, I do not have 50% top step reset code. I mean, the reset codes for Top Step only comes from Top Step TV if they have a fire drill or something. If you use my code to register for a new account, then your first reset, no, not my code, my link. If you use my link to register for an account, then your first reset should be at 50% discount. But otherwise, I don't have a code. I'm sorry, EMH. I wish I had. I would gladly give out some codes, but I don't. Kevin, hey, good morning. How are you, Kevin? I almost forgot to hit that. Oh yeah, hit that like button, guys. Thank you, guys. If you would like to support the stream, please hit the like button. It's free to do. Don't worry about it. Don't worry. So the 5 minute is pushing a little bit higher. If it takes out 740 sell side liquidity, then I think it's bullish from there. Yeah, there are some levels down there. That's true. And we have the 740-ish area as Asia low. That would make sense. Obviously, you know, to get down there, it's like 200 points. I don't know. We can go down. Obviously, liquidity is through the roof in the past few days. But I don't know. So far, the 5 and the 1 minute is not really looking anything special. So I mean, it doesn't look like anything special. I love joining because you start right when I get home and take off my boots and get comfortable. All right, abs, art. I'm glad. I'm glad I can help you out. And I have to apologize for everybody, but I overslept again because I was up. And in my time, I start the stream at 8 a.m., which is fine. It's great. I usually get up at 6 in the morning. But this morning, I got up at 7:30 again. And I was like, oh my God, I don't even know where I am. So I was in a little bit of a hurry. All right. Honestly, I'm thinking to maybe go long here. I don't know. With 1 micro, let's see. All right, I entered to a long position. No, I did something wrong. Jesus, I entered with 1 mini. Oh my God. Entered with 1 mini. Ugh. Rookie mistake. Instantly lost 40 bucks. All right. 1 mini, great. Where is it? Now I'm on micro now. All right. So I have to go with 2 micro now. All right. Entered with 1 mini. Now this is how I blew my accounts in March with the trade copier. I entered 5 mini instead of 5 micros. And the second I entered with 5 mini, with the copy trader, I was copying all of my accounts, evaluations, fundeds, everything back in March. Entered with 5 mini. 10 seconds later, the market was against me with like 12 points. Now imagine that on a funded account, on a 50K funded accounts, 12 points in 10 seconds with 5 mini. My brain was exploding. I mean, my mind was literally falling apart when I saw that, because I wasn't really paying attention to the tab. I was watching the other screen, and I was feeling like something is not right here. And I looked back, and I was already down like at least $1,000, $1,200 on the funded accounts. Every funded account. I was like, Jesus. It was very, very, very frustrating. Anyway. My entry is 964. Let me show you. Where is my chart? Okay. This is it. 964. To be transparent, you know. Okay. TP is 54. Should I go with that? I don't know. TP is, that's gonna be up there. I might gonna put it to break even later on. This is a 1-2-3 risk to reward trade, aiming for the long shot here. A home run almost. Well, it's not typically a big home run because I'm not risking too much, but anyway. There's also a bearish 1 hour fair value gap at 18,160,240. 18,160. Oh yeah, it's way up there. Yeah. I get it. So this is my trade. I'm sitting in it. Hey, Gamecraft Trades, welcome. No update. Let me check it. I haven't checked it today. I haven't checked it, guys. Let's check it. I haven't checked it since yesterday. I go on to my very first payout request. And here you go. That's it. My very first ever payout request from Apex is still pending. Still pending. I requested it on the 1st of August. $2,000. I don't care. If I lose the account, I just want to get the first money out as much as I can. So 22 trading days, still active, pending. That's it. So it's been, this is the 8th day today, but I'm not expecting anything. I mean, I'm not expecting any answer. Other people told me they had answer. They requested on the 1st, and they had answer last or a few months ago on the middle of the month. So I'm not expecting any answer from Apex until the end of next week. So I'm gonna give them time until Friday, next Friday. So anyway, if this one is gonna push through 15, I'm going to put it to break even. That's the only thing I'm willing to do here. You know, guys, it's not, actually, maybe I'm not even going to put it to break even. I'm just gonna leave it as it is. I do feel some FOMO by not taking this trade on funded accounts. Anyway, but it's a nice trade. I want to pass this evaluation with micros. That's the goal, basically. How much time does it take for me to pass an evaluation account nowadays with micros? I know in January and February I was struggling, but I'm still curious. How long would it take for me to pass? Let's see, very nice. 338. I think it's almost guaranteed for today, and reversal will be tomorrow. Maybe that's the case. Could be that this could be the manipulation to squeeze the shorts to the high and then distribute lower. They do pay out. If they don't pay me out, I still keep on trading. So that's it. If I just ask you to send you video proof, just direct them. Oh yeah. No, I don't know. If they ask me video proof, well, it's gonna be hard because not everything is recorded. But yeah, maybe I'm gonna tell them, hey guys, just check me out. I'm trading on YouTube. But as soon as they see me, oh my God, this guy's a YouTuber. We have to pay him out. YouTubers get paid out, you know. No, I think Alpine got denied for $40,000 or something, or 20. I don't know. He got denied for payout for DCAing or something. So it's different with everyone, yeah. Don't trade this account till it gets approved. I'm not touching it. DM, welcome. I'm not touching it. I'm not doing anything with that account until it's not getting approval. Just a tip for everyone, you guys who are new or something. If you reach a payout level on an account, move to the next one. I am not touching this freaking account. That is 100% sure. I'm not touching it until I don't get approval and I don't see the balance has been deducted. So I'm not touching it. I don't think I want to add more micros. It's part of my risk management plan. But you know what I can do is I close down one micro just to feel safer, because why should we give back more profits, right? And I'm gonna put this to break even, and that's it. So locked in some profit, and I think it's better to trade like this than going for 20 trades in 20 minutes, right? What volatility? What's all like at this time? It's the age. Yeah, you know, trading for science. I mean, at this time, volatility. I mean, how should I put this? I mean, we had this huge volatility burst in the past few days, so I'm not surprised in this London session that it can happen. And as I anticipated, even if it you know turns around here, I would like to see a bullish candle. Maybe I was a little bit lucky with this trade, because we all need some luck, but trust me, they will pay out. Well, let's hope, GameCraft Trade. Let's hope. Let's hope. I'm hoping that they will. I really hope. In Top X platform, can I trade 5 account at one time? Yes. Yes, you can. Yes. Sam Option FX, welcome. You can. You can. Of course you can. Now I'm starting to do something not particularly new, because I did this in the first part of the year, is to maybe stick with the micros. I tried it with the minis. It was a little bit frustrating sometimes for me. You know what? I'm locking this in. I don't care. I'm gonna lock it in. So even if it's not gonna go for the 52 now, actually I'm going to tone it lower to 52. There you go. If it's not gonna go for it, at least I'm locking this one in. And this is the 30-second candle, by the way. So maybe I should. I'm gonna change it to the 1 minute. Hold on. 1 minute. There you go. 1 minute. And that's it. I locked in some gains. I don't do this usually, so this is not what I do. I sometimes I take partials, but I don't trail the rest of the position. So I know you guys don't agree with me, as you know I should always lock in and always trail it, but I like to have breathing room for the trade. So I like to have it some more space, because sometimes it needs it. Many times actually, I think many times, especially in London session, it needs some room, it needs some vigor room to go for the final target. So this is not part of my risk management to lock in like this. I know it's beautiful and great and everything, wow, you know, guaranteed profit, blah blah blah, but I like to have some room for it. Yesterday new day opening gap low is here, 33. Oh yeah, so I want to see again, I want to see this gap from 33. When I started the stream, some of you guys joined in after. I put this here, unbalanced daily price range start from here. It's ending up there at 98. I would like to see the daily candle close above 98, because there are unbalanced price ranges, not just here but higher, and we have liquidity voids as well. So I like to see this go. Yeah, they have trade copiers. Sorry, Sam, if that's what you meant. Sorry. Yeah, sure have. They have trade copiers, Sam. I forgot to say that. They have trade copying everything, so you can do that. I'm not apologizing for that, because obviously it's a good thing. I just well, I did apologize, but I know sometime, I mean, I usually leave it at break even. That's the most I would do, because I always like to have some room for it to move. There is a very high probability that if it gets sideways here, it's gonna go down and take out my stop here. I mean, yeah, obviously it's gonna be a profit. So there's a very high chance. We also have a high chance for this one to just go through 52, which would be great. But you know, it is what it is. If it's not going to go through, again, there's a very, very high chance that it's going to go down, sweep some more liquidity, and then maybe go higher. For the stream. Yeah, for the stream. Usually I don't do this. That's why I said it. Usually I don't trail it. Maybe I put it to break even, but I don't trail it, because I do believe that many times price needs to sweep some internal liquidity before reaching the final target, especially when I'm aiming for 1 to 3 risk to reward, like in this case. So I don't trail it. And there you go. There we have it. I'd like to say that this was like, I think this was the trade of the week. I can say to you guys, this is Thursday today, and this was the most beautiful trade for me on the week. Yeah, this was my best trade. I mean, forget about the profit and everything, but the trade setup, the way it went down. So this was my favorite trade for the week, right here. Beautiful trade, as it should have. Everything played out. I had my bias, I had my plan. Momentum was kicking in. We had the displacement. Everything, not a beautiful, but technically a structure shift happened here. So everything lined up. We were in daily discount, the VWAP rejection, support, blah blah blah. Everything lined up. So this was the trade of the week for me. Every other trade was worse than this. Nice start for me. Made 240 on my top step. Oh, nice, Zach. Awesome, awesome. Your stream brought me luck. All right, I'm happy for that. That is great. And I was instantly down 40 bucks on this account because I pressed one mini and I was down 40 bucks. I closed it. So I would be up 1,600-ish with this account. Anyway, it's sweat price or liquidity. Watch what happens now. Vacuum. Maybe. Maybe. Could be happening. Made a quick 135 on 1 micro. Congratulations, Naomi. Way to go. Way to go. That is awesome. I'm happy for you. That is great. All right. You guys are awesome. Thank you for the support and everything. So now we're just waiting. There, I have a paper trade. Yeah, I still have it. I have a paper trade here on gold. So don't get overboard. I'm in a paper trade on gold. I'm sitting in $600 of paper trading profits here. Look at that. Now, I do something interesting here on gold. I'm testing a 30-minute strategy, so don't mind this. I'm basically trading support and resistance now on gold. So this is just paper trading. That's why I didn't really talk about it. But since I switched here, I'm trading support and resistance here strictly. With a little bit of ICT concept or smart money. I was looking for some market shift, and I'm looking for some levels. This level has been rejected. This level down here would be a very strong support area, and you know, since I saw this being rejected, it shifted higher. I entered to a long. This is not a 1, 2, 3 risk to reward or anything like that. So anyway, it's still not breaking that level, but it should. So this is just testing. Oh, should be taking profit. Come on, just spike higher. Just take my profit. Paper trading profits, come on. I'm very good on demo trading. Let's go demo trading. It's not taking my take profit. All right, I don't care. Demo dollars. I like the demo dollars as well. Do we go higher? Maybe. Maybe. I don't see anything other. I hope I don't have any orders open. No, I don't. So we still have the London Open ahead of us. The VWAP so far was holding the price. The VWAP. I'd like to get above the range. So I'd like to get above 98. This is the 5-minute. The 5-minute basically shifted structure again. So how about if we anticipated that this is going to be a bullish day? How about we engage into another long position? How about that? with one single micro. All right, I'm putting a limit order at 86. With one micro. Limit buy at 86.50. No, 86.75 because of the spread and everything. So 86.75, and for now the stop loss is at 32.75. Only $100. Nothing special. 32. Yeah, 32. Hold on. 32.75. That's my stop. 86.75. Okay. And my profit level would be at 149. I like that. Okay, so I have limit order. There you go. Risking about $100, a little bit more. And that's it. On the based on the 5 minute. Okay, so let's just leave it be. And maybe we will get it. Who knows? Possible entry if we go down on the 5 minute. Okay, let me delete the fib tool here. It's kind of disturbing, I know. All the sellers are gone. Where does the price go now? Well, who knows? Straight down. We could go. Some positive, yeah. I also expected today to be massive bullish day, yeah. Oh, Gabriel, 100% guarantee. Welcome, Gabriel. Good to see you. How you doing? Yeah, not surprised by a push as well. So anything can happen. How you doing, Gabriel? The man in the house. Good evening. Yeah, Art, I mean, I would not be surprised if they would push it much lower. Obviously, there are more liquidity down there. We have swing lows, we have fair value gaps. This gap has not been completely repriced. We have the Asia low, so I would be not surprised if this one just tank. I have a limit order for now. I might delete it, but so far it looks okay. Look at this gold. Didn't go for my demo TP level. The paper trading. Nothing but the best to every trader. Absolutely, absolutely. Keeping the good vibes, you know. Keeping the good vibes. By the way, I saw on the Apex website that they extended, surprisingly out of the blue, the sale period again. So it's still on for another week, it seems like it. I never would have thought that this could happen, but it happened. So the sale is on. The Bulenox sale is ending for now, it seems like on Saturday. So if you want to make sure that you grab a few of those accounts, just do so. But for now, it seems like it's ending on Saturday. They might be only able to, there might be a sale because there pretty much looks like Bulenox wants to compete with Apex pretty much. So they might be extending it as well, but you might not be able to buy new accounts on Sunday on and Monday maybe until they update it, because they always update it manually. So I'm waiting for a past MyFunded account. If credentials come soon, I will take along from around 980 and hold it till the whole day. That's a good plan. That's a good plan. If everything happens as we thought it would, that would be nice. Holy Grail, good morning. Welcome to the stream. Welcome. Good to see you. Good to see you. By the way, guys, I don't want to surprise anybody, but I might be on a small little holiday vacation, and I still haven't decided yet. I might go this weekend, and I'm gonna stay on holiday on Monday and Tuesday as well. We haven't decided yet, so it's still under the planning process. So we might travel on Sunday, and we're gonna stay on, or sorry, Saturday, and we're gonna stay on Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. Or we are going to travel on Wednesday, Thursday, Friday for a longer weekend. So in the past upcoming week or so, I'm gonna be partially streaming. I'll be taking my laptop. So I was thinking maybe I would do a stream from the beach. Would you guys like to have a short stream? It might be only just a 40-minute stream or an hour stream, and I might only be trading on evaluation accounts. But if you guys would like to have a stream from the beach with a laptop, nothing fancy, just super simple stream, then we can do so. So maybe I can do that. Just super simple with my laptop, nothing special, just trading evals on my laptop, and do some stream. That would be nice. A code to everyone, and especially new traders, is we only trade what we know to be true. No biases, no guessing. I like that, Art. That is great. You're not allowed to miss a stream, Tom. My life is scheduled to a stream. All right. Making dollar from a beach is like the guru. Oh yeah, but only demo dollars, guys. Only evaluation demo dollars. I don't know. I don't feel comfortable pushing the button, especially on a holiday. For me, a holiday outside of the comfort of my PC on a funded account, because that would mess my brain up a little bit. But I'm okay pushing evaluation accounts. So for the stream, for you guys, for everybody, why not? You're doing just like the market we are trading hasn't decided yet. Streaming swimsuit on the beach. Oh yeah, I might do that. I might do that. I'm thinking to do that, but yeah, I might do that. I don't know. I'm gonna take my laptop anyway, and maybe pushing evaluation accounts, and we'll see how it goes. Look at my demo trade. It doesn't really want to go into profit. I don't know what the hell is going on here. I'm gonna tighten my stop. Look at this. I'm tightening my stop here. My demo dollars. It's not taking out the high there on gold. Should the chat take bets long or short about your wait until it is known? I don't know. I don't know. Okay, to hear your voice from the beach, but turn the end. Let's see what happened around. Okay. I'm gonna show you, my surroundings everywhere. Where I am currently with my laptop. I don't want to speak for all the ladies, but I'm sure they would enjoy a beach stream. Oh, you want to see my masculine body, how awesome I look at the beach. No, I'm not gonna do. I'm too shy for that. So I'm definitely going to be wearing my swimming suit, you know, a full body swimming suit, a diving suit maybe. No, that's even weirder. I do have a lot of extra weight I have to cut. I need to start fasting, you know. I decided to do that in September. I already have the plan because obviously in the summer we try to enjoy ourselves. We go places. I eat some crazy stuff all over the place. From September, I can focus on a little bit more things. I still have my limit order, by the way, just saying. It's still sitting at 86.75, just saying. So this here is still sitting. Here. I still have my limit order. I'm gonna let you guys know if I get filled. Isham, good morning. Birthday suit, yeah. Viral. Love you, buddy. Just getting to know you and your style, but nevertheless, I enjoy it. Thank you. Thank you so much, Art. Thank you. Thank you, everybody, for the support. You know, I'm not a profitable trader, guys. I always told you. So far, payouts here and there, but don't copy trade me, obviously, because I am not profitable. It's still just part of the journey. I would like to be making a living only from my trading profits, but I told you many times I'm never going to, I'm not going to deny it, of course. I wouldn't be able to do this here without the help of you guys, so thank you. I'm really grateful for everybody who was using codes and links I have. Without the affiliate commissions, I could not do this here. That's it, period. And I'm very, very grateful for that. All right. Nothing is happening. The demo dollars are still there. I still don't have a feel. I'm looking for the 50% level, by the way, here. So if I put the FIB tool here, you see that my entry is just above the 50% golden level. Golden level at this swing. It doesn't need too much. It's like 14 points away from my entry. So my entry is 86.75. Look at that, almost there. Almost there. I get 100% guarantee, a whole new meaning. That would be. We'll figure out together. You're entertained. All right. All right. By the way, bought 3 new accounts. Hey, that's it. Thank you so much, Holy Grail. Thank you for the support. Thank you so much. Look at this, man. It didn't go down to 86.75. What is happening here? There is a bullish order block, by the way. This on the 1 minute. This is the 1 minute, yeah? So this here is a bullish order block. I would imagine that price go down here and take me into the trade. But, you know. You're looking for gold sells. It's against my demo buy. I'm in a buy position on gold. I'm in a buy position on gold, so you're fading me. Look at this. It didn't take me out at the TP. So if any one of you guys are asking what the hell am I doing with gold, I'm demo trading it because I'm trying to test a few trades based on the good old support and resistance theory. And on the 30-minute chart, I'm not going to go lower than the 30-minute chart on gold. I decided I want a trading method. This is not a new strategy. I did that back in 2023, early 2023 and late 22. I was trading almost exactly the way like this, with much or less success, like more likely less. And I traded support and resistance, and I wanted to see if I can have another method maybe as a back burner on a different account. If I can, you know, put on maybe 2 or 3 trades, 5 trades a week, and that would be gold with this method. I don't know. So never mind. I'm just, the more you talk and stream, you get so much closer. All of us are here for the same reason. That is exactly true, Art. All of us are here for the same reason. Look at this. It didn't take me into the trade. What a nasty job from NQ. The train left me at the station. We identify the person we be like and want to grow with it. Yeah, exactly. I like that. The range in these candles still crazy. Absolutely. I mean, look at what happened. I mean, just yesterday. I mean, look at what happened from the top to the bottom. This is the 1 hour candle. I think I showed this. 815 points drop just yesterday from top to bottom. Now, still in today's drop, I mean, pre-London, I mean, we're still pre-London, but since the midnight level, we dropped down 100 points. I mean, it's pretty unusual. Not always, but for London session, it's definitely not something that we used to have. So yeah, so I'm still not in the trade. This would be a 5-minute entry. I'm short biased on NAS as well. Well, it could go. As I said, we have a lot of levels down there. We have a lot of levels, not just to reprice this gap to the left. We have still the Asia low. We have some gaps. And if you look to the higher time frame, well, almost relative equal lows, but I wouldn't be surprised if this one would just dump. You know. Anyway, sorry, I'm hovering all around the place, make you guys dizzy, but still waiting for this entry. 745 to 808, big range for the night shift. Yeah, that's a big range. Yeah. 80. That's a big range for the night shift. Which is great because obviously everybody wants to see volatility, but it's pretty much unusual. Yesterday, you know, I was losing focus, and that's why I blew one of my funded accounts with Apex, is because how should I put this? I was wicked out. So I was trying to scalp with micros, and I was wicked out multiple times with micros. So I was using a tight stop, even with 2, 4, 5 micros, and there was like minimum 10, but usually 15, 20 points wicks yesterday on the 1 minute or whatever sub time frame. I was looking the 15-second too, and those wicks were happening in like a second, like boom, 10 points, boom, 15 points, boom. And I got so upset, I started to oversize, adding more micros and getting into more crazy positions. I realized that my drawdown was already halfway down, and after that point, I don't know if you guys ever experienced it, but after that point everything was downhill from there. My mind collapsed, everything dark, you know, darkness, hello darkness my old friend, you know. And I started to add more. I didn't even care about DCAing anymore. I just did everything, and I blew an Apex account. I did it off stream, so you guys don't see it, and just keep it a secret. All right, don't tell anyone I did that, but I did that off stream. On stream, I usually show you the profits and how good I am, but off stream, I make the crazy stuff. I make the stupid decisions I make off stream. Because I don't know why. I don't know why. Remember those night when we are in 15 points range? Oh yes. The whole London session was in a 15 points range. Yeah, revenge trading. We'll done that. That's why I go with ES and avoid NQ. Oh yeah, Dominic, welcome. Good to see you. Short here of the ledge. I am sorry. What is HVN? I'm still sleeping. And at the 300 SMA. Surprised if it rally. 300. Oh, I see. It's like a little demon. Oh yeah. Naomi knows it. That happened to me. Little demon sitting right here on my shoulder, whispering in my ears like, come on, just do it, just push it. It's over anyway. It's over anyways. You just need to push it a little bit more. Come on. One more push. Who cares? It's just another freaking funded account. Who cares? If you break the bank, you can show your streamers how good you are. And you can have your own Lamborghini in the background. Just do it. Just do it. So that's what happened. By the way, I got this figurine from my goddaughter. She's very nice. And she gave this to me to bring me luck. So, so yeah. I'm trying to, yeah, Dominic. Tom, a lot of person started to complain about Apex. A lot of issues with payments. I'm still waiting for my payment to be approved, so no comment for now. But if I get denied, I'm just gonna continue to trade. We have also a lot of people. I mean, who got paid every week. That's also true. So a lot of payouts also happening. So who knows? Yeah, the psychology. Yeah. High volume nodes. Sorry. Sorry, Isham. 24/7 stream for now onwards. Yeah. I always get my Apex payouts, no problem. Just takes. Yeah, I'm waiting for my approval still. I would not be surprised if I would get denied because I did DCA. I am aware of it. I did DCA. So if I get denied, I get denied. I'm gonna continue to trade. What can I do? I'm gonna trade until I'm not going to do stupid things. They all do. We all do. It's actual community. It's here. Yeah. DCAing is dollar cost averaging, which means it's not that. So DCAing, to put it very simple, DCAing is if you buy a position here, it goes against you. You buy here as well, and you keep adding to your losing position. You keep adding to your losing trade. While it goes down, you keep adding more and more, hoping that it will go up. Eventually, it could go up, but because this is a simulated funded account, Apex doesn't really like this kind of strategy if someone is only making money out of this. MyFundedFutures said you can DCA if this is not solely your strategy. So obviously, adding to your losing positions is not really a good idea because you're just adding more and more risk. And if you're not lucky, if this is not happening to take you out, it's just going to wipe you like crazy. So obviously, it's a very dangerous strategy. Now, a lot of people are making money like this. I'm not saying it's not valid or anything, but, you know, this is something. You can add once more to your position. Apex is saying that if you buy here, you can add anytime once more. So you're allowed to add one more to your position, but no more. So what I did is I added like 3 times, like here, actually not there, but a little bit below there, and I did DCA. So Whatever happens, it's gonna happen. I cannot change the past. The only way for me to do it is to get that freaking stone from Doctor Strange, but he's not a real person, so that plan is out. But that loophole is that you need to trade 10 more days. Yes, not really. For example, I have 22 trading days, and if I get approved, I need to make sure that I have 10 more trading days for the next payout period as well. So I need to have, between the two payout periods, you need to have that 10 days. Just one of the 10 days. Yeah, it's a little bit. Yeah, it can be a break even. Exactly, Holy Grail. Don't do that. Yeah. Top step, promote DCA to bash Apex. Yeah, everybody promotes DCAing basically. MyFundedFutures not really, but I know, for example, Blue Sky put out a picture on their socials, I don't know where, that DCAers are welcome. We are welcome DCAing. Of course they welcome it because DCAing is going to wipe you out. I'm sorry to say that. No offense to anybody, because I know there are some smart traders who are making money with that. But there's a very, very high percentage that you're going to get wiped out if you're DCAing. But obviously, I'm just... We might get some volume. Yeah, London is open. Sorry, totally forgot about that. We might have some volume. Let me see how the trade looks like. So I'm still having my limit order here. It might not gonna be an A+ beautiful entry, but I still have it. I still have it. Let's look at it. Are we gonna get it? Is it gonna get it? Not yet. Look at this. I missed my entry with 1-2 points. I don't even know. Okay, I got tagged in, and now it's gonna dump. Okay, I got tagged into the trade. TP is 149. It's gonna be one. Actually, I'm gonna put it to 148. Okay, 148 is my TP. That's it. That's my trade based on the 5-minute chart. All right, 148. That's going to be my final TP. If it would trade above the 70s something here, I would move it to break even. Otherwise, I'm just leaving it here. Almost every time I blow account is DCing. Yeah, usually with me too. So it's because of DCing. I mean, just look into yourself. Look into the history of your lost accounts or your lost trades. How many times did you lose because you were keep adding to your position? You know. Good morning, Reza Banks. Hey, welcome. It's nice to see you. How you doing, Reza? Nice to have you here. They don't promote it, but it's allowed in your own live brokerage. It's just like Apex being stupid and then other prop firms. I see. And least estimator. Wow. Hey, welcome. Good to see you on the stream. What's happening? Least estimator is in the house. Okay, my stop might be a little bit tight on this position, but I believe if we trade below the 33, then we have a pretty high chance that this one just wants to keep going lower and aim for, you know, Asia lows. For now, it looks okay, but otherwise, oh, look at my demo gold trade. My demo dollar gold trade, paper trading is going higher. Maybe it will take out that high. 24.39.7. 10,700. Whoa. Oh my God. Guys, everybody, please. Congratulations to Reza Banks. $10,700 from MyFundedFutures. Whew. Jesus. Reza, congratulations. What a job. Dude. This is awesome. I'm so happy for that. I mean, it's awesome. That really proves that we can't give up. This is what we need. This is what we need. That's very nice. Congratulations there. That is awesome. I imagine you were having an expert account, right? Guys, with expert accounts, with MyFundedFutures, there is no withdrawal cap. You can do basically anything you want. Check out the expert account. It really is. There's a video I made in my videos. The most freedom you can get in trading is with the expert accounts with MyFundedFutures. But dude, that is awesome. I mean, you know, you had three payouts. Sorry, 3 payouts. I remember 3 times 3,700. Sorry, I remember now. You said it yesterday. That is awesome. Yeah. Sorry. Yes. Now I remember. My brain is like made of Teflon. You know, nothing sticks to it. Yeah, I know. I now remember. Yeah, awesome job. Congratulations. Last thing I say for now is, Tom, these people that are here now watching you reacting and shit, that you can talk overnight. We want to learn alongside a friend. Thank you, Art. Thank you so much. It really means a lot. Thank you for the kind words. Nasversity. Oh, hey. Yeah, Reza, that is a great achievement. And from 3 accounts. Wow. Glad to have you, and that is awesome. That is an awesome achievement. Reza, you know, hang tight. I'm coming after you soon. Couple of years only. There's gonna be a stream, and I'm gonna say, guys, I made $11,000 payout from MyFundedFutures. So that will be the day when I will do the check mark, like, okay, I beat Reza's record. I can't pronounce it. Reza's number. It's hard for me as you know, I'm Hungarian, and Hungarian language is quite the opposite as English. We say everything, every word is totally different. So for me to pronunciate in English, it's actually hard. It's actually hard. So that's why I have this weird accent. But anyway. No, well, let's hope, Reza. Just keep us motivated, not just me, everybody. Keep us motivated, because we need the motivation, Reza. And that was a great achievement. Tom's hype, man. Yeah, you know, when I'm doing my fan tour over the world, I'm gonna have an entourage of people on my private jet. Just saying, we're gonna have the world tour of the best traders, the best of the best, and you know, in between those people who are in the entourage, we're gonna have art as well. Whoa, Reza, thank you so much for the donation. Jesus, thank you so much. You shouldn't have done it. I have to give you an applause. I then have to mute the stream sounds because, thank you. Fly me out, bro. I have to mute the desktop sounds because I still haven't changed. There's going to be, Streamlabs is like 3 minutes late with the alerts on the super chat. So sorry about that, but thank you so much, Reza. There's going to be an alert coming up, but it's like 2 or 3 minutes late. And there's a song attached to it. I still haven't changed it, which is copyright protected, so I had to mute it. But thank you again. That looks like a lot of money. So 250. How much is that? I don't even know. How much is that? What is... What? Is that 68 United States dollar? Dude, is this correct? Is this correct? United Arab Emirates dirham 68.06. What the hell, man? What? Jesus. Dude. I don't know what to say. I don't know what to say. As Sam Rogers said to Captain America at the final scene of Avengers Endgame, I would say thank you. There you go. Jesus. 68 US dollars. The highest donation ever I received. And I don't know what to say. Thank you. Or not Sam Rogers, Sam. It was Sam. I don't know what's the other name. But thank you. I'll make sure to give it for good cause for the stream. Thank you. All right, I have to keep it. Jesus, my biggest donation. Wow, shouldn't have done it. Fly me out, bro. Damn, how much? Yeah, it's a lot. You're done for the day now. Yeah, I'm done for the day. Yeah, thank you. About the spam. Let's throw a party. Yeah, let's throw a party. Close the stream. Yeah, I think I did my money for today, guys. I'm gonna go now and enjoy the beach. All right, I'm gonna enjoy the beach. I did enough for today. Why am I here? Reza just made my day. I don't care about trading for today. So, guys, it was. That's another 50K account. Exactly, that's another 50K account. That's another 50K account. Jesus. Super chatted like almost 70 bucks. Oh, thank you. What is happening again? 150 to give someone else in stream now. Okay, dude. This guy is okay. This guy is absolutely Reza. All right. All right. We're going to be giving away 50 bucks in the chat. All right. We're going to be giving away 50. And you know what? We're going to do $50 now, and we're going to do one more tomorrow. All right. 50 now and 50 tomorrow. You have my word on that. Okay, guys? And the sponsor for today and maybe tomorrow, I mean tomorrow as well, is Reza. Everything is going to dedicate it to Reza. Oh. I had to disable the sound. Thank you. Jesus. Oil money. I can't focus on trading like this. Okay, we're gonna start the giveaway. All right, we're gonna do a very simple. I can only do PayPal. All right, so PayPal, international bank wire, or maybe debit card transfer. Let's not do crypto because it's super expensive. It's just not worth to buy it, convert it, and send it. So let me log into my Streamlabs, and we're gonna start the giveaway. All right, everybody can participate, and this comes from Reza, and today one and tomorrow another one. All right, in the London session tomorrow. Stay tuned if I'm not on holiday. All right, let me go here. go to giveaways. I'm gonna set it up. Complete. Edit. Cash giveaway from Reza. Okay. Advanced, everybody gets 1 ticket. Confirm. Customize. Okay, settings. Settings, profile. Okay, $50 cash giveaway. It has started. Exclamation mark cash. That's how you enter. Exclamation mark cash. So type in exclamation mark cash to the chat and you're gonna get a ticket, and we're gonna pick the winner in, so let's give some time. All right, it's now 3:16 3:16 Eastern Standard Time. Let's do it in like, let's give like 20 minutes. I think it's okay to have like 20 minutes at least. All right, just give everybody time, you know. It's $50, you know. Let everybody participate, I would say. So let's just give an extra let's go with at least to 35, okay? 3:35. That's almost like 20 minutes or 37, who knows, okay? So we have time to enter. We're gonna do it in 20 minutes. Exclamation mark cash, $50. I can only do it with PayPal, international bank wire, or debit card transfer. It's not always works with some countries or some type of cards, but this is what I can do. The best would be PayPal, okay? If I can't do it, if you guys are in the US maybe or something, I might going to ask Methodical Man for his help. He has all kind of cash apps, and I'm gonna transfer the money to him, and he's going to wire it to you because I think he has a lot of apps and everything. Tamimi, good morning. Enter the giveaway. Again, this is by the courtesy of Reza. He is like super gentleman. He just received a ton of money from MyFundedFutures, which is true. So this is all because of Reza, and tomorrow we're gonna do one more $50. So make sure to subscribe to the channel, stay tuned, and my trade is just going to the dumpster here. But yeah, I'm still sitting in this, but no worries. Only with micros, but my demo gold trade is still there. So again, all right, let me see, how are we doing? We have 34 participants. Guys, we have 75 people in the chat, as much as I can see, and we have 34 participants in the giveaway. So yeah, all right, so we still have time. No idea when I went in. $50 cash giveaway from Reza. Let's go. Yeah. Hi, Mountain Trader. Welcome. Paul Bartasek. Hey. Ninja Turtle. What's up? Welcome, everybody. I see that the lurkers are coming out from the background. Nice to see you guys. Karen. And everybody, welcome. Welcome. Come forward. Come forward. The sponsor of today's giveaway is Reza Banks, who just got $10,700 payout from MyFundedFutures. So today, obviously, he's carrying the flag. He's the man, and he's sponsoring today and tomorrow's giveaway. So we're giving back to the community as much as we can. I'm gonna keep at least 18 bucks for myself. All right. So 50 bucks now, 68 from the first. Okay. I'm gonna keep that 18 bucks for myself. I don't care. You're the man, Reza. You're the man. You're the man. You did this. You made this available. So thank you again. In the name of everybody. Look at this. Look at this chart. You know, it's 50 bucks. 50 bucks. You know, I think it's gonna be. It's gonna be able to buy you maybe a top step, 2 Bulenox accounts, or maybe a reset somewhere. A MyFundedFutures reset. Taxes. Oh yeah, Donovan. Dude, it's I'm not sure how it goes. I mean this part, because I'm doing this year. I'm doing my income in a small company formation. It goes for the affiliates as well, but there is the donation money that comes in from YouTube maybe, and my accountant still doesn't really know how to put that, because YouTube puts everything together. When YouTube pays me out to my account, I can't separate the two incomes. So the donations are also, I mean, that's an income basically. So I have to, I'm gonna pay tax. It's fine. But yeah, so the $18 is gonna go for tax. But by the way, it's crazy, because you know there should be some kind of a way, you know, to separate the donation. Why would someone have to pay tax from donation, right? So that's like interesting. But still, it is how it is. Yeah, in Dubai there is no tax. No tax in Dubai. So there's still like 14 minutes, 13 minutes until we close the poll. Not poll, sorry. The giveaway, or whatever it is. It's called. So there's still time. Still time. All right. Ba, 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 ba. All right. Oh no, my trade is going down. I never thought that this can happen to me. I never thought that a trade can go against me, or if it even possible. Yeah, the everybody is great around here, so I'm very grateful for every one of you guys. Some great community here, and obviously Reza Banks today spiced up the stream with the donation, and he's sponsoring the giveaway. So he's the man today. Reza Banks is the sponsor. What is going on? Is it really going down that much? Yeah, I think it will. I think I'm gonna get out. got taken out from this position, but I don't mind. My demo gold trade is still there. Yeah, almost out from the position. Yeah, it's very close. I don't want to move my stop because I think if it breaks 32.75 down there, we're just gonna go to below the 20s. Almost out. 10 points away. It's just gonna wick me out any moment now. Any second. So I'm still in, but the previous one was great. It was a nice one on the 1 minute. By the way, let's see the 1 minute. The 1 minute. Actually, look at this. The 1 minute did give an entry here. So a counter entry that would indicate we can go all the way below the 900. How about that? Quite interesting. If it takes me out, then obviously it's going to the 900s. Yep, there you go. Okay, I'm gonna move to a different account. I might move to a different account here. Look at that. I'm gonna trade this brand new eval. I don't want to give back profit from that account. And now it goes back. It took me out. It goes back. Okay. Yeah, I'm glad for the support. I got eaten today. Had to reset. Oh. By the way, if any one of you guys want to reset at MyFundedFutures, if you use my code, that also gives you a discount. Just saying. So, live game stream, Baba Yaga. Hey. Maybe more bearish. I mean, it could go down to take the swing at 14 or 15. Who knows? It could. I feel like now it might want to. It might just want to. I mean, if it traded below, let's see, yeah. So if it traded below these levels and we're below the VWAP, there's not much for it to go down and, you know, take this small fair value gap down on the 1 minute and maybe all the way down to below the 20s. We don't know that. But yeah. Anyway, this ended up with a stop. Let me see who's gonna recognize the difference. So, John T, hey, what's going on? Seems like it wants to go lower. Now, one thing is interesting, like we had this internal structure shift on the 1 minute. And by that, if we anticipate that it's going to be a 1 to 3 deviation, then it might just go down below the 80s, 880s or something. Which I think it could. Seek and destroy. It doesn't look like it for, I mean, maybe it took out the highs from this day. So we're interested to look the price from midnight level. But for the kill zone, from 2 a.m., we're obviously watching it here. Took out some highs. Now it wants to go lower to deliver price to the beginning of the kill zone. So I'm very confident now, super confident, that we're gonna take out 15, 915. If you guys want to jump in for a scalp, do it if you want to. I think it's a 90% chance that 915 is gonna get wicked out. There's like a very strong possibility, because you know we're still in the kill zone. This was still in this data range. We have some good targets. Relative equal lows, by the way, to the left. Totally forgot that from Asia session. I think very good targets. Look at that. It's only like less than just a few points. It's gonna take it out, and it didn't take it out yet. Maybe on the micro. The micro did it. Look at that. No, it didn't. Okay, never mind. The micro still didn't do it, but it should be doing it. I'm not jumping in. I don't want to mess up these trades. But if you guys are jumping in and out for scalps, yeah, there you go. 15 got taken. And now that 15 got taken, if I go with this risk to reward and sorry, the other one, this short position that could have been taken on the 1 minute, then the 1 to 3 standard deviation or risk to reward would be down at below the 90s. So look at that. Still a way to go down to the 90s. All right, we still have a few minutes. We're gonna wait 2 or 3 minutes, all right? And we're going to, we have 52 participants in the giveaway, and we have 90 people watching almost. But anyway, I can only do PayPal, international bank wire, or maybe debit card transfer. For certain countries it's not available, or certain credit or debit cards. It's instant though. So PayPal is instant, debit card not credit, debit card transfer is instant, and PayPal is instant. If none of these are working out, I can contact Methodical Man, wire him the money, and maybe he can help me out. If you guys are using some other cash app, like I don't even know, Venmo, Zella, whatever. I don't have those, but maybe he can help me out. I'm gonna ask him later, but just wait for the New York session because I have to ask him. Just type into the chat, Parminder, welcome, exclamation mark cash, exclamation mark cash. Just look into the chat like other people did. You're hurting my odds. All right. I don't know. I mean, I'm happy to see all these people on the stream. Obviously, I understand that everybody has other things to do, so you guys are gonna get excused with all my blessings after the giveaway. Viewers are gonna go. I know how it is. It's all right. All right. Let's wait for 1 more minute and 40 seconds, okay? And then I'm gonna close it. 1 more minute. So we're gonna wait until 36, okay? That's gonna give 20 minutes for this overall. Okay. We're gonna pick the winner. Now, all I would like to get from the winner is an email. I'm gonna log in and post my email address after we pick the winner. An email with a screenshot of your YouTube channel or whatever, so I can see your name. Like for example, let me show you. Like this is my channel. If you could do a screenshot, of course now it can be hacked super easy, but if you could do a screenshot of this, I mean not my channel, from your channel. You guys don't see it, right? Yeah, you don't see it because it's cropped out, but where I can see your email, or from the chat where I can see your name, that would be helpful. Who knows? And that's it. All right, 30 seconds, and we're closing it. "30 seconds and we're closing down." 15 seconds left to participate. And the winner is Pay the Trader. Yeah, almost. All right, 5 seconds and I'm closing down. Okay, 5 seconds. You still have last time. Okay, 56 users. I'm going to close the entries right. All right, few more seconds and that's it. 59 entrants, 60. Whoa, come on. All right, 10 more seconds. 10, 9, 5, 2, and 0. All right, closed at 60. 60 people entered. All right. What we're gonna do, we're gonna pick one winner, and let's make it, you guys know me, the least stressful. Okay. All right, we're gonna count down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and the winner is ERP Media. Whoa, congratulations. ERP Media won $50 cash giveaway sponsored by Reza Banks. By the courtesy of Reza Banks. Congratulations, ERP Media. You are the winner. You are the winner. Okay, just send me an email. Here's my email. Just with a screenshot and it will be fine. Send me an email, and if you have a PayPal email, you can also send it to me. If not, then I would need a bank account or a debit card number, whatever. Or you can write me some other alternatives. We will figure it out. If none of these are working, we will figure it out in email. All right. Congratulations. Well deserved. Rigged. It's, you know, oh, the best goes. You're welcome, ERP. You don't have to thank to Reza. He's the sponsor of the giveaway. So Reza Banks was sponsoring. It's not me. I'm just a vessel. You know, I'm just a vessel spreading the things. Reza was the one who sponsored the giveaway. It's not me. This doesn't come from my pocket right now. It comes from Reza. So, and we're gonna do one more tomorrow, by the courtesy of Reza. So today was one. Tomorrow there's gonna be one more, and by Reza Banks. So stay tuned because there's gonna be one more tomorrow. All right. He's not paying taxes anyway in Dubai. He's tax free. He's tax free. All right. All right. All right. That was a good one. Look at this. It's still there. Still happening. Let's go. Let's go. I think it still has the potential to go lower. We have some relative equal lows. We have some good targets still down there. So I think it's just going to continue lower. obviously prove that we're bearish. So what can I say? It can be still just a manipulation phase right now, but you know, we'll see. Whoa, Reza Banks again with another donation. What is happening? More payout, doing more giveaways. This money is from payout to motivate you. Oh, you shouldn't have. Dude, this guy is printing money from MyFundedFutures and he's giving it away. You shouldn't have done this, Reza. You already done a lot. Nissim Assis, hey. Thanks again, Reza. You shouldn't have done this. You gave a lot to the stream, to the people. So he's the sponsor. Maybe he's related to Raja Banks. Who knows? He's absolutely the sponsor. I have to disable the desktop sounds because that song is still copyright protected. But thank you again for the dono. Much appreciated. And he is the sponsor, guys. He is sponsoring the giveaway. I was listening, but now I trade ICT. Oh, I see. Okay, so there was some kind of a resemblance to Raja. Okay. Let's see. I'm putting this to break even. Now this kind of trading, what I do here is kind of similar like Raja Banks does on the 30-minute. And there's the alert. And that's Reza Banks on the picture. That was him. That's what he does. That picture was taken from him in Dubai. And he looks a little bit like DiCaprio, you know, from this angle, and that was actually himself, Reza Banks. That's what he does on his boat, you know. That's why. Okay. Yeah, it's going down. It seems like it. We have quite a bit of volatility still. I mean, yeah, we still have it. All right, ERP, I got your email. ERP, can I say your name is Edgardo, right? Just want to make sure it's you. Edgardo. I hope it is. Just let me know. All right. Okay. Wanted to make sure. You guys won't believe it, but it happened before that when we picked the winner, I received 2 emails. So it wasn't now, it was like quite a few weeks ago, but I wanted to make sure. All right. Okay. Just a second, almost there. Okay. ERP Media, I just sent it. So I just sent it, just to let you know. All right. It has been sent. It has been sent right now. So look at that. So obviously, if I would have taken this trade as a short, it would be a 1 to 3 risk to reward. Komodo Dragon Trades. Good morning, Komodo man. Where have you been? You missed the giveaway. There was a $50 giveaway sponsored by Reza Banks. All right, ARP. I'm glad. So Reza, he's the man. Reza, you should be thanking. Reza is the man. I mean, always wait for New York. Yeah, I got long at 80 yesterday. Oh. Look at this, guys. If I would have only taken this trade, how awesome would that be? Beautiful 1 to 3. Shoulda, woulda, coulda, I know, but and that's why I'm saying if I would be staying on only one time frame, just only one single time frame, and that's what this thing can mess you up like with a great deal. I mean, you're looking for your entry model on one single time frame. Now what I did here is I entered on the long on the 1 minute time frame, and then I switched to the 5 minute. I entered to a long on the 5 minute time frame. It took me out. If I would have just waited for my entry on the 1 minute, that would have yielded me a 1 to 3 risk to reward. It was actually you know, counter trend signal. So this thing can actually mess you up if you're not aware. It can actually really mess you up. Yeah, let's not forget about the trades. Yeah. So anyway, this is something you have to, you know, put down some rules of how to, which time frame you want to take the trades on, which is going to be your entry model. I started working with them. I will check them. Oh yeah. Me too, except from SMT. Good models, hard time, which is feel like it's like Elliott wave. You can see whatever you want. Oh, I'm using 1 hour to analyze, 15 or 30 for the fine tune, 1 minute for entry. There you go, Holy Grail. Exactly. So you can use higher time frame if you're day trading on small time frames. Then you don't really need, for example, the 1 hour. You're perfectly good with 15 minute, maybe 30 minute. That should be more than enough as the higher time frame. And your entry time frame is very important, I think. Which is going to be your entry time frame? Now, if you're switching like I did this morning, and it was a bad decision that I made, if I'm switching between my entry time frames, that is going to change the whole edge, the whole trading edge that you're doing. Because you might be getting a long signal, which I did on the 1 minute, and then you're getting a long signal on the 5 minute, which I had here, and then you're getting a short signal on the 1 minute. Now, which one to take? Because obviously you have scenarios for both directions. You have targets for both directions. You can explain why should it go up, why should it go down. So that's gonna put you into second guessing yourself, puts you into confusion, fear, and doubt, and then you're gonna mess up everything. So you have to decide which time frame is going to be your entry time frame. Or you have to take every single trade, but you know, hedging is not allowed here. I mean, not specifically. Or you take it on a different account, but then you have to take every single entry on the 5 and the 1 minute chart. So you guys get what I mean, I hope. So I know it's crazy, I know, but that's how it works. I think we can see more clearly the zone in the 1 hour. Yeah, again, if you see the zone better in the 1 hour, then use it as your higher time frame. If you see it on the 30-minute or the 2 hour or the 45-minute chart, whatever you like, then go with that, you know. 15-minute, 5-minute, 3, 1. There you go, Art. If you look, for example, to the 15 minutes now, for me, there is opportunity to go short. Let's check the 15-minute. Oh, yes, exactly. Again, entry on the 15-minute to go short. Let's put the fib tool here. Boom. 50% level at around 65-ish, 64. Go short. There you go. But this is not my entry time frame once, and it depending, you know, what are you looking for? Where could be the draw on liquidity? So, yeah. Also, on the 1 hour time frame, would be suggesting after this drop that we're going higher to the 150s, above the 150. So, you know, counter trend signals all around the place. Yes, or just have one confirmation and take the trade and wait on probable working. Yes, exactly, Komodo. Prevent the engine from overheating. Again, trade what you know to be true. That's true. Yeah. I know some guys who are actually good traders, and they told me that the same exact thing, almost the same thing that I told you guys. They never, even if they see a counter trend entry against their current position on a different time frame, they don't take it because their entry model is based on that specific time frame. They only take that because they know even if they lose it, the edge is going to play out itself if they just take the next one. Obviously, it has to do something with risk to reward, stuff like that, you know, risk management. But the edge is going to play out itself. And even if they see an A+ setup on a different time frame as a counter trend, they don't take it. Obviously, it looks bad at that moment because you're sitting in a opposite position and you say, oh, F, we have a different entry on a higher time frame, for example, but still they play out on the same exact time frame over and over and over. And that's how the edge is gonna, you know, play out the best. Anyway. ERP Media, hi Tom. I'm going to buy 10 150k Apex accounts now to give back to what? Oh, ERP Media, come on, man. Oh my god. Thank you so much for the support, and this is just whoa. One there, Johan Zalm, and thank you for the subscription. Welcome to the stream, welcome to the channel. Welcome, Johan. ERP Media, I don't know what to say. I'm flattered. Thank you so much for the support. What can I say? It's a circle of love here in this stream. So good morning, Johan. Joy Freedom. Oh, so now it's confirmed. This guy is participating in the giveaways with different accounts. Joy, good to see you, Joy. So, ERP Media, this is like, this whole thing is turning into a love circle between the good community. I mean, between everybody in the good community here. I'm very grateful to everybody. The stream is unlit today, and I'd like to give back to the stream, of course. But tomorrow, we're still going to do one more giveaway by the courtesy of Reza. He's the sponsor. And I'll do more. Obviously, I couldn't do giveaways now and then, every now and then, without you guys because of the affiliate commissions. And I couldn't be here without you guys, without the affiliate commissions. I always state that I'm not yet a constantly profitable trader. I made a few payouts, but I'm not there yet. So thank you. Still a road to go. But we'll get there together. You know, guys, the private jet, everything. I now logged on via my laptop. Oh, I see, I see. Looking for some birthday luck. You have a birthday, Donovan? Donovan, do you have your birthday now? Come on, man. Donovan, if you have your birthday now, that is awesome. Then I wish you a happy birthday. Guys, happy birthday for Donovan. Can you really get to payouts being a bit aggressive? Yes, Komodo, you can. Yes, you can get to payouts. You turn 40? Brother. Donovan, brother from another mother. And father. Brother from another mother. I'm 40 as well. I turned to 40 this May. You're 42. We are both from 84. One of the best years. Congratulations on your 40th birthday. That is awesome. Happy birthday. That is awesome. So, Komodo, I'm telling you, yes, it's possible. Expired. What is expired? I hope not the code. Expired. Sam, what's going on? All right, thank you. Yeah, welcome. You're getting there. Uh-oh. Trust me, everything is much brighter above 40. I'm telling you. You know, you're getting more hotter. You know, you're looking more sharp like me. You know, you start to look like that macho people from the commercials. You know, you don't get that from when you're in your 20s. Hey guys, is there any problem with fast track trading? I'm trying to get new accounts, but when I click it, it says error establishing a database connection. I'm trying to get new accounts. It could be a website error. Let me check it. They had some website issues before. Yes, I think they're having some website issues right now. Sorry about that. It happened the other day. It's because of the website. Hopefully they will fix it by the New York Open. Unfortunately, I think nobody's awake right there. Okay, guys, done for the day. Yeah, see you later. Reza, you the man. I'm just letting you guys know, because of the courtesy and the sponsorship of Reza, we're going to have another giveaway tomorrow from the donation. Okay, and also I would like to thank everybody for participating. Special congratulations to ERP for winning, and again, for everybody for using the codes. We'll do more giveaways. I'm here. I'm still here. I'm still waiting for something to happen. Which promo you recommend right now? Well, it depends on your trading style, on your risk management, how much money could you afford to enter to a prop firm. Depends on some of these factors. My favorite, but don't tell it to anyone, is MyFundedFutures. Because no activation fee. If you use my promo code, you get the 50K starter account for $76. But otherwise, the cheapest upfront cost is Bulenox. I got payout with Bulenox. You can do everything you want on the funded account, but the activation fee is $148. Just keep that in mind. But until Saturday, you can buy evaluation accounts 50K for $17.50 with the promo code, which is also tomsabo. So what can I say? It depends on these factors. There's no daily loss limit in Bulenox. There is a daily loss limit yet with TopStep. There is a daily loss limit with MyFundedFutures. There is no daily loss limit with Apex. So you have to also get those things in line as well. Little late than never. Yeah, Rob, welcome. Welcome. No need to worry. All right, Rob. And you look like you're getting... I'm getting younger, of course. Only person I knew reverse ages. What? Only person I know who reverse ages? Oh, yeah, I am. Thank you. Good luck to you, Rob. Later, Art. Later. Good to see you here. It was good to see you, Art. Morning, Hansen. Hey. Tom, where is the volume? Please ask the market maker in the stream. Yeah, I tried to. They're not picking up. I tried. I can call them. They're not picking up. I can try. But they're not picking up. I don't know. Is it gonna drop? Is it gonna go? We still have relative equal lows at 61, which doesn't really mean anything. We are hovering around the VWAP, the volume weighted average price line, and we just broke through. And because we have the equities open, so there is some volume kicking in right now, obviously at 4 a.m. So this can turn around everything. So just gotta be careful. I might even jump into a long here. I don't know. I might even jump in with a small position. Who knows? You know, with 1 micro. Why not? Jump in at 30.75. Let's see. I put a limit order at 30.75. Okay, I put a limit order at 31 for now. Limit order is at 31. Yeah, it's a good 1 to 3 risk to reward. It's not necessarily going to go down, so I'm going to follow this move on the 1 minute. If it goes higher, I'm going to move. Okay, 30.75. That is still my entry. 31 is my entry. If we get wicked down there, then I jump in. Yeah, the withdrawal is capped, but still, I think everything else is very good with them. But yes, if you need no limits, well, the expert account has no limits, but it's obviously much more expensive. But expert account is really the one that gives you every freedom in that. But maybe go with, well, Bulenox also caps the withdrawals at 1500. So Take Profit Trader, there is no cap. TopStep, there is no cap, but the payout policy is a little bit harder to get. It's frustrating for me, the $200 day. By the way, I got tagged into the trade. 20. Should I put this to 20? It's a little bit higher. Okay, my TP is going to be at 17. It's quite a way to go. But you know, why not? So I'm in the trade. Entry price is here. Stop loss is 97.25. And the TP should be at 31. But I didn't put it there. I don't know. I put the TP. You know what? F it. I'm going to put the TP to 25. And if it trades somewhere at the 90s, 85, I'm going to put it to break even. So that's the trade. It's a smaller position now because I don't want to give back profits. But, you know. And I just took a short in that fair value gap. Emily, that's, you know, I could be absolutely wrong here, so don't worry about it, Emily. It can absolutely go down from here. This is, from me, this is a very, very risky trade. That's why I'm not risking more than like $70 on this one. So even if I lose, I don't want to give too much back. If I win, that's great, but I have to wait for the pullback. And you're waiting for it, then go short. Yeah, let's see. Let's see. Let's see. And I have to drink something. I'm thirsty. I have this water here. It's water. It's not like a sugar. What is it called? It's not soda or anything. It's water with some sweetener. It's like melon, yeah, melon and apple. I need to drink a lot more fluids, and it's just so hard sometimes to drink the water, but I need to. But need to hydrate. I'm out. Get spooked. A couple of. But it can still go down, Emily. But anyway, it's your decision. Got spooked out with a couple of 100 in profit. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. You know, it's still, I mean, as long as you're in profit, you know. There is knowing how to trade and knowing how to get payouts from prop firms. So everyone must figure out. Yeah, you're absolutely right, Komodo. You are absolutely right, Komodo Dragon Trades. You are right. Yeah, Fast Track Trading website has some issue. There's a database connection issue. So they had similar like this before. I hope they will fix it by the New York session. Uh-oh. I'm in danger now. I am in danger. Uh-oh, uh-oh. This trade is going down. Okay. Orders are connected. It seems like that's it for this. I tried. But it's not gonna happen. It seems like maybe. I don't know. I don't know. By the way, I know we're not talking about too much, but take profit trader is also great. So it's a little bit hard. I mean, have to be careful about the daily drawdown. That's all the secret to it, because it's a hard breach. Yeah, currently not 40 degrees Celsius, but it's like 31, 32 usually during the day. So now it's a little bit better, but it was so hot, you know. You got about 26. All right. Don't like to make a wick. Yeah, yesterday I got wicked out all around the place. It's actually refreshing to hear an actual trader on online stream say how much they are risking. I don't risk 100 a trade. I usually risk about that amount too. And I always get some heat of, oh, but Tom, you'll never get a payout because you're only trading with micros. Oh, Tom, what you doing? Because you should be trading minis, because you will never get a payout with micros. And I know, and I respect everybody who trades minis. That's great. I just can't handle the pressure with minis. Oh, you're welcome, Mark. Hello, Lamin. How's it going? How's it going? Hope you have a good day. So, guys, just don't forget, tomorrow we're gonna do the next giveaway by the sponsorship of Reza. Yeah, 1 minute in this market can blow up your account super fast, super easy. In a few minutes, exactly. I was doing so fine, I blow my account. Bob, if it gives you some, if we can share our pain together. Yesterday I blow one of my Apex funded accounts as well, you know, and it was off stream in secrecy without you guys. I wanted to come back to the New York stream, like, to show off like how cool I am with trading on my funded account, and I wanted to scalp on one of my funded accounts, so I blew it up. So and I was in profit, $1,200 in profit, and I blew it up. Revenge trading, rage trading, oversizing, over leveraging, over trading, fear, you know, everything on the dark side, you know. Fear, anger, everything, the demons, everything was there. So it's amazing, by the way, how easy it is to blow up a funded account. How super easy. You're working on it for weeks, even months, like I did. You're working on it for such a long time. You're putting in the energy every day. You sit down, you're doing it, and then just one day you snap like this. That's how easy it is. You snap one day and you blow it in 10 minutes. Yesterday, I think I blow it in 15 minutes or 10. I don't know. You know, in these market conditions, it's super easy to blow it in 15 minutes. So I chopped myself up, reversing the trades back and forth and adding to the position. I didn't even care about DCAing anymore. I didn't care about it. I said, F it, I don't care. And from that, when my account was 50% in drawdown, I know it was all downhill from there. I know it's over, because there's no way back. I got tilted. So Bob, trust me, Bob, we share the same pain. The entire dark side package comes in when you're on tilt. When you are on tilt, the entire dark side package comes in. But don't tell this to anyone, because I did it off stream, and I don't want this to go out public. Can definitely make money with micros. Yeah, well, you can make money with micros. I actually, the Bulenox account that I got to pay out, I was technically trading 95% of the time with micros. 3, 5, 4, 8 micros sometimes, but technically always micros because I was managing risk and I got to pay out. It took me some time, that's true. Oversizing, yeah. Greed, exactly. So I know Gordon Gekko says, you guys might know who Gordon Gekko is. Gordon Gekko says greed is good. Well, in this case, not always. 100.1 minute candles at times is brutal. Oh yeah, on Monday morning, 1 minute candle was 150 points. If you go in with 1 mini, you're effed. That's it. Your whatever account you trade with 1 mini on a day like that, you just effed. So same in 20 minutes, exactly. Everyone blows up at some stage. Some just don't admit it openly. Well, I don't like to tell it, by the way. It's not a good it's not a good feeling to talk about it, honestly. Well, what can I say? So frustrated. I was going to pay out in 2 days. Bob, let me tell you another thing. Let me tell you something, Bob. I'm going to show something only to you. This is only to you. Let me show you. I have it somewhere here. I made a screenshot to have a moment of silence for my account. That was my I did a screenshot somewhere here. It has to be somewhere here. Anyway. Oh yeah, here it is. So look at this. Just to let you know the pain that I was suffering. All right, guys? So just look at this. Bob, pay attention here carefully. Look at when it started. This account started somewhere in May 4th or something like that. I was trading with micros on this account. I was $400 away. I was nursing this account for 2 months, more than 2 months. More than 2 months, I was nursing this account. Look at that. I was always very careful. I was less than $400 away up there, 53,207. This was a Bulenox account. I was less than $400 away from getting a payout. And I blew it. And I blew it in 10 minutes. I snapped. I blew it in 10 minutes. I was way below the consistency rule, so I was okay. I was already locked in at 50,100 and I blew it in 10 single minutes. Now, the painful thing in this wasn't the money itself. The money is bad, of course, that I lost it. But there's so much energy. Look at how many energy since the beginning of May I put into this account. I was working for more than 2 months on this account and I blew it in 10 single minutes. Now that's the bad thing. And that's the painful thing. Throwing out all that energy and time on the window. That was the painful thing. I was really feeling so bad when I blew the account. I was feeling so frustrated. And it was just one account. I was like totally down for the day. I mean, mentally. Anyway. Greed, if I help you to hold winners. Yes. Greed, yeah. One big candle was enough to F you on Monday. Oh, yeah, that's true. Who hasn't done that? Oh, yeah. That's, yeah. I was thinking if I'm able to blow an account in a few minutes, just trade the opposite. Yeah, that's true. You can hedge 2 different, yeah, you can 2 different accounts. And I haven't really went into that. First time here. Hey, Andrew, please, can you show how you trade indicators and entry rules? Oh, man, that would take up a whole different stream, Andrew, but I would love to. Basically, I trade ICT concepts or smart money concepts, but what I'm looking for is order blocks, fair value gaps, and I try to determine where is the draw on liquidity. Now, obviously, that requires to learn more about market structure shift and market structure itself. So I can't really explain to you exactly where I enter. But for example, here was 2 trades. This morning we took this one. There was a fair value gap displacement. There was a displacement with strong up close candles, market structure shift, repricing, and then took off. If you Google ICT 2022 model on YouTube, sorry, if you search for it, you're gonna find 2,000 videos or 10,000 videos in a 5-minute videos that explain to you what is the exact entry model. That is what I'm using, basically, Andrew. That is my exact entry model. I know ICT is saying that don't listen to those 5-minute videos because it takes more, and I think he's right. It takes more to understand, but you're going to find thousands of 5-minute videos if you just search YouTube ICT 2022 model. Everybody made videos about that entry. That is what I'm using, basically. You are so fast. Fast death, yeah. Snapped is the word. Yeah, there you go, Naomi. Snapped. Yeah, rest in peace, that account. Don't understand. I'm looking at the positions that I took. It doesn't make any sense at all. Well, don't beat yourself up to it because, you know, if you made a mistake, you made a mistake. You know, you move on. But I was licking my wounds for a day when I blown that account. But the other day I said, all right, F it, moving on. But, you know, don't lick your wounds for too long. Just move on. You're welcome. So Andrew, I'm very happy you're here, obviously. And it would take a lot of hours to go into details of exactly what I'm using. But there is so many videos, even from ICT himself on his channel. But if you're looking for the exact entry model that which is the core of my entry, that's the YouTube 2022 ICT model. That is what I'm looking at. But it requires more. So market maker sell and buy model, look into that as well on YouTube. There are thousands of videos about that. And order blocks that I like. And market structure, institutional order flow. Those things are very important to have a bigger understanding of where market is going, where is the liquidity, where price is heading to. Okay, so in this case, I give like a strong 75-80% chance that this is gonna go lower and take me out. Unfortunately, there was a nice move when the volume kicked in at equities open, and then I thought we're gonna finally, maybe worst case scenario, go for internal range, but it's just keep going down, I think. Yeah, it broke it very nicely, beautiful structure shift, but unfortunately it's not enough for price. So, and if you look at it on the 1 minute, it just provided another short entry signal here. Now, the thing is, we are in discounts, so taking shorts in daily discounts is always a little bit more riskier. In this case, it might play out and it might go lower and take more liquidity. The 861 level, I think, is a very good target if you guys are short. 861 is looking good. So I would say go for it if you want to. I have a very small chance for this trade to survive. So it's just not looking good. The candles, the way they are printing, I think it's gonna be very fast if it starts to go. Like, it can take me out with one wick, like boom, and takes me out. So do not take this trade because it's not looking good. Yeah, look at that. It's going down. It's going down. Yes, someone said your stop loss should be your entry. Yeah. How much do you take in? How much do you take time considering? ICT says time is the first factor in how price is delivered. Well, it depends on how we look at this sentence. So time is the first factor in how price is delivered. I would say it's not just about the time until the price is being delivered to the exact liquidity level. It's about also when do you take the trade. So at what time do you take the trade? Do you take the trade in the kill zone or outside of the kill zone? Do you take the trade outside of a probably higher volatility time period? So that's also important. For example, just like 2 days ago, ICT put on a video. I checked it later, and he also confirmed it, which he said before, that anything that happens before 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, if you're trading the New York session, anything that happens before 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time is irrelevant, because that's a different data, different time. It belongs still to London session, whatever. When the 7 a.m. hour Eastern Standard Time starts, it's a whole new thing. So, and if you're trading after 5 a.m., now he didn't say that last time, but if you're trading after 5 a.m. and between 7 a.m., that's like, I'm not saying you can't, but it's a little bit like no man's land, because the New York data is not in, volume is not kicking in still. So you're in like the lowest probability time period to take a trade. After 7 a.m., you know, the algorithm is watching price. I mean, come on, I think they're not watching price. The algorithm is watching those levels, and looking for certain levels to be taken out or to be reached. So for example, I rarely take a position after 5 a.m. I stick to the time. So that's why price is timed. For example, we have the macros that are sweeping liquidity. Just before lunch hour, we have the 9 a.m. macro, we have the 8 a.m. macro, we have the hourly macros. So there are so many things that you have to consider. I know it's a lot of information. I don't really always go into all those details. But one thing I do for sure, I don't open a position if I don't have to before 7 a.m. So the timing, what price does in lunch hour, what price is doing after the lunch hour, also important. What is happening when the London close is happening? These are also questions that are answered, but you have to go through a lot of these videos, which I haven't done as well. I went through a lot of these videos, but still there's so many videos to go through, and I have 3 notebooks already. Tom, can you tell us more about your course? Yeah, it's very simple. I'm using basically the same ICT entry model. I mean, the core concept is that. But the struggle for some people who it was that determine the trend, which trades to take, when to enter, when is the clear trend. So what I did there, and I did get funded and did get profit, especially when I was trading with TopStep more with that system, is I implemented exponential moving averages into the entry model to filter out the less probability trades and to filter out the ones which would be higher probability entries. So basically what I do in that course is I'm using exponential moving averages. I also have an RSI there to help you to focus on which pullback or retracement to take. And that's all I did. It's a mini course. I'm not encouraging anybody. I mean, I'm not saying anything super special new. The thing that you get with the mini course is a lifetime Discord membership, basically. But but it's a 50-minute mini course. I tell you exactly which indicator, exact trade entries, stuff like that. So, but that's it. It's basically I put it out there obviously because it helps out the stream and me being here full time, of course, because it's 49 bucks. Otherwise, or 59, I don't know, 49, 59. Otherwise, I think it could be helpful at some times when you don't know which trades to filter out and which ones to enter. That's it. But I'm not promising that you're going to be profitable with that mini course, but it's definitely helping. Just 1,420 bucks away from passing Take Profit Trader. Come on, Sam, let's go. Let's go, Sam. You can do it. If you made some profits today, Sam, maybe move to a different account. Don't press it too much. You know, I think you did the I mean, making 1,400 bucks on the day on a Take Profit evaluation account, a test account, you should be moving to the next one. Yeah, it was interesting. 7 a.m. Yes, same here. Time is important. I watched 90% of all ICT. Wow, hundreds of hours. Yeah, so you understand. Yeah, lot of hours, obviously. Lot of hours. That is true. Lot of hours. I'm still sitting in this trade and it feels like it's hovering, but it feels like it wants to spike lower and take me out. Take me out from my misery. All right. Trader Monk, good morning. Good to see you. What is happening? I don't like this position, to be honest. I feel like I just want to close it, maybe with the loss. I don't like it. I don't like the way it looks like now. Feels like it wants to dump, but you know, it started really good, shifting higher. Now we're just hovering here. It feels like it's not ready to go yet. Ron Costa, good morning. How you doing? Here's my 2 cents. Look at the 15-minute chart. Oh, Schmidt András, welcome. Feels like a Hungarian trader. Üdvözöllek. Welcome. 2 cents. Look at the 15-minute chart. If we are before the 200 SMA curling down, the price is below the 20 SMA. Look short. Every pullback to the 2050 SMA is sellable. That is actually a good strategy, and that's also like a similar way to filter out trending moves, or you know, filter out when the market is a little bit ranging or when it's trending. Obviously the best option always to take the pullbacks and the retracements. I've been watching you for a while and I'm wondering why you haven't tried to learn order flow trading and delve deeper into volume analysis. And other smart money concepts don't exist. It's all about volume, price, and levels. You have a good understanding of liquidity, but it's impossible to see without exploring volume. You know, Miranda, and thank you for saying that. Actually, I was thinking about it. I was thinking about it because I got quite a few messages and also emails with some links and stuff that I should be looking into that. And you know, I'm always learning. I never say never or whatever, but I was thinking about that, honestly. And I do see some traders making extremely good profits with order flow trading. So maybe it's you know, guys, this trading is constant learning. You know, there is no stopping of consuming new information and you know, carving out your own ways. So I might gonna go into that. As you said, I'm trying to, I think I have some understanding of volume and I mean liquidity and structure. So it might be ideal to look into that. I might be, but you know, good, not a bad idea, Miranda. Not a bad idea. I might do that. I was actually talking about it a few weeks ago that I should be looking into that. 15 minutes looks bearish, yeah. I mean, right now we are just basically in an internal range, so who knows? Maybe rebalancing the fair, yeah, that could happen. Rebalancing the fair value gap, and then I saw a lot of videos for different persons taking about different strategy. That's making confused, yeah. Lose tomorrow. Yeah, that's also very true. So I'm sticking with one for now, and the more I stick with the one I do, I know it sounds strange, but I do see some improvement. I do see some improvement in my trading. Not too much, but slow steps, you know. I see some improvements. Hey, Andras, hello. Hoira. Sorry, I'm a little bit behind the chat. I know it's not lagging or not delayed. I'm just talking too much. Üdvözöllek, András. Welcome. Fellow Hungarian trader. We'll see, yeah. Yeah, we'll see, Ron. Let's see those levels. I don't know yet. The simple retail concept, there is a problem. You don't know why something works or doesn't work. It's not repeatable. Yeah, that's very true. You need something that is repeatable. So, yeah. I started doubting about ICT concepts after watching Patrick Wieland's stream. Yeah, Patrick Wieland, I know we always say he's a good showman. He knows how to trade. He knows how to trade. He does it differently. And I think he's a good example, like how you can also trade. And I do agree that it's not just ICT concepts out there. I know people who are only trading trend lines and not Tory trades in person in my country. I know who only trade trend lines. I know someone who only trading supply and demand and he's making profit. I know another guy who only trades the 1 hour time frame with support and resistance and he's making extremely good profits. So whatever floats your boat, you know. A footprint TPO level 2. ICD ahead is time. Now order flow and volume profile are taking over. Maybe depth of market. Yeah, the depth of market and volume profile is definitely getting more and more popular right now. Everybody is pulling up that to the chart, which is good. Yeah, absolutely. I understand, Marina. Just seems like a guy who wants to learn. Yeah, I am, Marina. So that's why I'm thankful for suggesting that. I always want to learn. I'm always curious. So I'm really, especially about trading, I'm always curious about concepts and opportunities because maybe I will find something that suits me much better than these concepts. As I said, I was trading support and resistance before I knew this amount of information about the market. So I might have to look back into that. And I have so many notes here in my desk. I have my notebook on paper, actual paper. I'm writing down thoughts and ideas. So I'm always learning. Strategy doesn't matter. Yeah, Omid, hey. Yeah, thank you. The tides are changing. Footprint charts, come on. Okay, Art, footprint charts. Guys, what can I say? This session was so far very good. I am not going to take more trades. I'm gonna stick with this. The orders are connected, so everything is connected here. I'm not even going to move this to break even. I'm gonna let it be, because who knows? It can be floating around until the New York session. Who knows? Volume is drying up, I think. So, yeah. Yeah, we can share everything. That's why I'm always listening to everybody's ideas. So, guys, oh, look at that. Come on. Come on. Let's wait a few more minutes. Let's see what it does. We're gonna maybe we're gonna stick here until the whole New York session. No, I can't. I have some things to be these are scheduled up, and I have to run a few errands in the city. So what I want to say, I'm not going to be taking more trades. I'm going to leave this as it is. So my TP level is going to be at 25.50. Actually, I'm going to put it lower. I'm going to put it to 25. I'm going to put it to 24.75 is my TP. 24.75. I'm not taking more trades. This was a good session, but I think I have to leave and be back to the New York session. So thank you so much for everybody being here. We had a great day. The man of the day and the session is definitely Reza Banks, who was here sponsoring the giveaway. Congratulations to ERP for winning, and we're gonna do one more tomorrow, so stay tuned, subscribe to the channel. This was a great session. We had some good trades. I mean, even I lost one, but we're still in profit. So thank you again. And if you would like to grab some of these discounts, if you'd like to support the channel, please use my codes. The tomsabo works everywhere with the highest discount at these prop firms that you see up there. We have some more down there in the description that supports the channel. And that's it, I think. That was the commercial. Thank you, guys. See you later. I'll be back in New York. Have a great day. Stay safe. Love you all. Thank you, everybody.